Yeah.
Okay, what's today?
Easter!
What's
Happy
that?
Easter! It's Easter!
And what do you want to go do?
Why does your voice sound like
Come on,
that every morning?
Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's
All right.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, it's open. What are we gonna do? Yeah, fish. Look, it's up. The light. Put your lights. Look at it. His weapons that came out of the chimney. No.
Wow,
Oh,
cool.
He stepped on my skateboard. What is that one?
Cool.
Is this really? You wanted to try skateboard? No, I don't. Yep, that's your skateboard. Hey, Hey, he ate the cookie.
Come on, let's go see what.
He ate the cookie.
What
Yeah,
cookie?
he's gonna take the cup and drink the water. Told you wouldn't.
Holy.
Oh my God, I got it. Oh, look it. He was sitting on the chair. He was sitting on my chair. He was sitting on my chair. Look it.
That. Wait. Wow. What is
Look
that?
at. Which sprinkler? Dad, which one is this?
Mario Party 9.
That's Johnny's basket.
Johnny.
That's Johnny's basket.
Johnny, what's that?
I'm a Mario.
Show
nine.
Johnny.
No, that's mine.
That's
That's Johnny.
Johnny's.
In our the East buddy gave me it.
Cool, yay! All right.
We don't need this. We already have this new part.
Oh, well, now we have one here, I guess.
Hi, kids.
Look
Turn
at
look at me, everybody. Turn
I
them.
want to try the sweet.
You-
Love it. Give me this. Wow. Look right here.
Let
I totally want to play the sweet.
me see you guys. Look up.
This is awesome. I want to play it. Put it so they don't play the sweet really bad.
Really
Wait
does.
now.
You don't want to look at the rest of your basket, Johnny?
Get him a
So
chair.
this is my turn. I got foam.
You got what?
What does this guy do?
What else?
A foam.
Oh, Mr. Bubble, I used to love that stuff.
What does this guy do? I know what this guy does. And I got the milk thing. I love that. That's science.
Tommy.
Whoa, look at mine.
Let me see,
Now look what I got.
Johnny, let me see.
Jack. Now look at Oh my God, it lights up.
Those are some floppy ears.
Oh my
Look
God.
at his head. Look at. Tommy, watch his head. Watch his head.